Hello, I'm Ryan Hill, and this is my intro video for AEP 858 Data and Assessment. A little bit more information about myself and kind of some personal demographics is I'm married with 4 children. My wife teaches 4th grade in Wichita. I have a daughter and 3 sons. Daughter is 13. Oldest son is 11, and then it goes down every 2 years, so 9 and 7. Another fun fact is today is my birthday, so we've been out and about all day, kind of celebrating my 35th. So not sure how I feel about that, but it is what it is. A little bit more about my teaching responsibilities. I do teach at Rose Hill High School in Rose Hill, Kansas, just southeast of Wichita area. I teach industrial technology, so drafting and wood shop for the most part. I've also been kind of the acting CTE coordinator over the last few years. I've been a TSA and Best Robotics sponsor, as well as a football and baseball coach. So the school year stays pretty busy for us. So some critical reflection on school and district level analysis and data use. Really, school and district level, we look at the accreditation process and make sure that we're hitting those aspects. High school level, and really more what I deal with is within the CTE realm. We're using things like career cruising and the pathway KSDE data to kind of just make sure that we're hitting the clientele that we need to, that we're giving and providing students with the opportunity that they need, specifically for our area and possible career opportunities that they're interested in. I'm really excited to learn more about what this class has to offer, and how it can improve my ability to use it on a day-to-day basis in the classroom. But right now, data, the way I use it and analyze it is to improve daily instructional decisions. Specifically looking at students' needs, areas I need to teach or reteach. And also areas, in a grander scheme of, things that I need to implement and have into an improvement plan. Whether, in my area be providing new technology for students to have access to and learn and using those things. So that's sort of how we use personal, on my end. My improvement plan and plans for enhancement within the realms of data and analysis and assessment is really utilizing this course to learn more of how I can use and analyze data. But with my current knowledge and looking forward to next year and kind of adding improving this summer in order to provide opportunities for students next year, is really allowing, kind of figuring out how to guide the course through and then lead into career opportunities. Being a career technical education teacher, that's really a main focus, and I think that's a direction that the state is even pushing. So, there's a lot of data being collected now that is going to be very useful over the next few years in order to help us make decisions. So, looking forward to that. Again, I'm Ryan Hill, and thank you very much for watching my video. I look forward to learning from each one of you throughout the rest of the semester, or actually this month of June, I guess, and learning a lot from the class. So look forward to it. See you guys around.